What's going on, YouTube? I'm James.
I'm Isaac.
And today we got a pretty big job. We got a wood restoration job to do. It's a house, a deck, and then we're going to clean this concrete. So he's getting the works done. So we're going to show you guys when we get there what the house looks like, what the deck looks like, and the concrete. And then you're going to see our process of bringing the wood back to life and then getting it ready for staining. We should be there here shortly, and you guys can see the before and after. So stay tuned.
Say hello, Isaac.
Deck, benches, house, deck. Alright, we got our lines ran. And yes, we're going to 12 volt this. So turn that baby on. Turn that on. Make sure the water and soap off. And no, we're not using SH. We're using actual wood cleaner. Right there. No soap. Got it all pre-mixed. So let's go start getting it purged out. Going all the way down here. Isaac's going to pre-wet everything. As you can see right now. He's going to pre-wet the house and the plants. Give it a good old soaking. Adding the chemicals now, and we will let that sit for about 10 minutes before we wash it away. Okay, this is what it looks like after we applied the chemicals and rinsed them away. And you can see the before picture, all the dark black. And after we've cleaned all that up, got that nice pine look again. Again, the before picture. And what it looks like afterwards. And now for the front side. Let's see the after. And this is what it looks like before we started cleaning. And the after. Amazing what it looks like after. These are some good comparisons to show what it looked like prior and after we have cleaned the wood. As you can see, that thick dark black. And after we cleaned it, it lightened and brought it back to life. The deck before we cleaned it, and now the stairs going to the deck, and look at the big difference. There's a lot of enjoyment seeing what wood restoration will look like when it's complete and done right. Wild turkeys. I don't know, there was 3 of them. I don't know where the other 2 went, but alright guys, we just got that massive job done. I know there's not a lot of video, but it was a big job and we was trying to get it done as quickly as we could. Isaac's wore out, I'm wore out, no lunch today. It's 6:30 in the afternoon, so that was, how many hours, Isaac? So about 10 o'clock this morning till 6:30, so probably about 8.5 hours of work. So not easy. If you guys are doing it, make sure you're quoting it right, because long days ahead of you. You guys ain't gonna believe what happened to us. He's just driving, and this happened. Our reels just fell inside. Luckily, they fell on the inside and not on the outside, so we got some work to do before our next job. What a day today has been. What a day. Well, till next time, guys. Later, everyone.